Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. I'm just gonna get straight to the point. As you can see, your girl is very tired. I'm very tired, very tired. It's 10:30 at night British time, so I'm really tired. I think I overdid it today, but anywho, let me tell you what this is all about. It is going to be how I prep my hair for touch-up part 2. Today I will be using baby sorry guys, I think I'm just all over the place, but if I don't do this tonight, tomorrow morning this will not make no difference. It won't work as much. So as tired as I am, I'm touching up tomorrow. I am gonna do it anyway, so I thought I might as well show you guys where I'm at it. Hopefully this will help somebody. This routine, this very thing, I don't do often. I only do it for if I have scratched my scalp, which I have done the last couple of days. The more I keep telling myself, do not scratch, you're gonna relax your hair in a couple of days. It looks like the more I want to itch or scratch or whatever. But I think it's down to the fact that I have not washed my hair in 8 days. Obviously I have to keep off washing my hair so I can get everything ready, get my scalp, make sure my scalp is not too clean and messed with before touch up. So normally when my scalp start itching, it's another sign for my scalp telling me that it's wash time, it's time to wash. So obviously I can't wash because I'm relaxing tomorrow. So the more I tell myself don't scratch, it looks like the more I want to scratch. So the only time I've used this is when I have scratched my scalp, like I have done. Not a lot, but I can't take any risk. The only time I have used this method or recommend it for people who have like skin problems, skin psoriasis, really heavy dandruff. That means you constantly on your scalp itching away. So when I've scratched my scalp, or when I'm very far into my stretch, which I am now, I'm actually 29 weeks post relaxer. So that means adding baby powder to my scalp is going to actually buy me a little bit of time. My sister is going to help me assist me with this touch up tomorrow. So I'm going to apply baby powder to my scalp. This has to be done the night before. If you do it on the very day of the relaxer, it's not going to make much effect. I know somebody will probably be wondering, why bothering with all this? Why don't you just go natural? Sweetheart, it's my hair, my life, my choice. Okay, so hopefully this will be helpful to somebody. So I'm gonna quickly show you guys how I apply it on. So like I said, it's 10:30 at night, and each time I do this, I make sure it's the last thing I do before I go to bed, because by the time I'm done with this process, you can be sure I will be like a Snow White. For people, like I said, people that suffer with severe eczema, scalp psoriasis, and what's the other one? Severe case of dandruff. This will work a treat, but it has to be done the night before. If you do it the night before in the morning, it will buy you a lot of time to work on the relaxing process before it actually starts burning or irritating. I know you are supposed to really stay away from the scalp when you're applying the relaxer on, but I mean, come on, especially for those who self-relax, it's almost impossible to not get that relaxer on your scalp. And if there is anything that can help to prevent that, prevention is better than cure. So I'll grab that option. There you go, guys. Enough of me rambling. Let me get on adding on this powder and show you how I do it. Okay, see you in a bit. There you go. My hair is already sessioned. I'm using the Imperial Leather baby powder. Any baby powder will do the job. The idea behind this method is, I remember growing up, my mom would tell us not to wash our hair for as many weeks as possible. The idea is to have as many dirt under your scalp as possible to prevent relaxer burn. Although relaxer have slightly moved on from what they were or what we used to use back in the days, but the having it leaving your scalp dirty for as many weeks as I can, that's not gonna be, my scalp is not gonna agree with that. And even if I do manage to pull that off, my hair is gonna suffer from not having proper hydration and deep treatment. So that's why I came up with this idea, rather than waiting for weeks and weeks without no washing, or in the name of making sure my scalp have as much dirt as possible, because that dirt is what gonna prevent this. It's gonna act like a barrier. So I came up with this method. Baby powder do just exact same thing. As long as I do this method, as long as I apply it on the night before, it work a straight. If it was a thingy, whatever product I was selling, if I was selling this type of whatever it is, I would definitely tell you it's 100% money back guarantee, because it works. Don't take my work for it, not take my words for it. I do went the extra miles to try and show you guys this clip. I didn't have to, but I did, regardless of how tired I am. So give it a try if you have any scalp issue. You've already chosen to relax your hair, but it's a pain in the neck when you then relax it. It's not coming out the way you want it, because you start at the back or you start at the front, wherever you start doing your own process. By the time you move to the front, you know, you almost cannot finish the process, because it's starting to, the relaxer have started to irritate your scalp. So this applying baby powder to my scalp before I do this, before my touch up, make it so much easy. Not a single itch or burn or whatever. It was such a smooth process. Tiredness got a little bit better of me. I was saying I was 29 weeks post relaxer. I'm actually 22 weeks post relaxer plus a few days, just to correct that error there. And I don't know why I was banging on and on about it, but anywho, I just lather the baby powder on my scalp. There's no messing on this, so I just lather it on as much as I can. And by the time I finished, there was literally baby powder everywhere, every single way. So people have dandruff, scalp psoriasis, scalp eczema, this will work a treat. So it's all applied, all completely applied. My scalp is all covered. So do give this method a try, guys, and see if it work for your own scalp. It definitely work with mine. My sister used this method. When I finish, I use my silk scarf just to tie it down gently, so it's all in place, because I will be relaxing first thing. I won't be taking that scarf off a lot, and I'm ready to relax the next day. I hope this was helpful to somebody. So there you go guys. This is how I do my baby powder scalp protection for my relaxer preparation. Excuse my brow, I have just touched up my microblading 3 days ago, so I can't wash it for the first 7 days, so I still have 4 days to put up with this what is it called? Is this Star Trek look? So bear with me. It's not gonna be like this forever, promise. So I did it a year ago, which was February 2018, and I was due to renew it because it's starting getting to get worn out. So I did. So there you go, guys. This is how I do the baby powder method to protect my scalp. This will buy me a lot time. Each time I've done this, I have no problem. I can apply relaxer to my hair with ease. No, I'm not gonna take all day because my scalp is protected. I still need to apply it and get out, just get it in and get it out, like try to make it between 13 and 15 minutes that I usually do, keep my relaxer in. So I'm still gonna try and keep within that time frame. But in the meantime, because I have more new growth at 29th waist post relaxer, and I have been scratching my scalp, so that is too bad, shocking combination. So this is gonna buy me a lot of time to work on the hair, hopefully successfully. So this is it, guys. This is it. This is everything. I'm gonna leave it here. That was my son. He just came in. He didn't realize I was still videoing. He was gonna come and say, I don't know whatever he came for. He thought because I was so quiet and they didn't know I was recording. So he popped his nose through. So he goes, Mom, can you cut that clip out? I'm like, nah, I'm not cutting it. I'm leaving it. So that's my eldest. So hopefully it's not gonna be too mad if I couldn't cut the clip out. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao.